On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will cover the Shadow DOM in JavaScript. We explain the basics, benefits, and real-world examples of Shadow DOM, step by step. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Shadow DOM is a powerful feature of the Web Components standard that enables encapsulation of styles and DOM structure within components. This feature prevents interference of styles and scripts between components and the main document. Shadow DOM provides a way to create a scoped DOM tree associated with a regular DOM element. This shadow tree is isolated from the overall document, where external styles and scripts do not influence it, nor do its internal styles and scripts leak out. For example, if you create a custom button component using Shadow DOM, its styles will not interfere with other elements on the page. Similarly, elements with the same class name will not conflict. The regular HTML content outside of the Shadow DOM is referred to as the light DOM. The Shadow DOM has the following advantages. Encapsulation. The Shadow DOM separates style and functionality, preventing conflicts with global styles and scripts. Reusability. Components built with the Shadow DOM can be reused across different projects without worrying about style conflicts. Maintainability. Encapsulation makes the component's logic and style self-contained, making debugging and maintenance easier. To use Shadow DOM, you need to attach a shadow root to an HTML element. Here is a simple example. This code includes the following elements. Host element. A regular DOM element to which the shadow root is attached, in this case, #shadow-host. Shadow root. The root of the shadow tree created using attach shadow. Mode. In open mode, external JavaScript can access the shadow root via element shadow root. On the other hand, closed mode does not allow access. Shadow DOM has its own style scope. Styles defined within the shadow tree apply only to the elements within that tree. Here is an example. Even if there are conflicting styles in the main document, they do not affect the paragraph inside the shadow tree. The paragraph inside the Shadow DOM remains green, while the external one is red. Events within the Shadow DOM are similar to regular DOM events but may behave differently in terms of propagation due to encapsulation. Here is an example. When the button is clicked, both listeners are triggered, demonstrating the behavior of event bubbling. When an event originating inside the Shadow DOM bubbles up to the Light DOM, the event's target is rewritten to the host element instead of the original source. In this example, event target inside the shadow DOM is the actual button element, but outside the shadow DOM, it is replaced with the host div element. Shadow DOM and custom elements are key components of web components. They are technologies used to create reusable and encapsulated UI components. The main document contains HTML like this. By using shadow DOM inside custom elements, you can build reusable components that are resistant to style conflicts. In this code, a tag named myCard is created and associated with the myCard class. The P element inside myCard is not affected by external styles and is always displayed in blue. Slots allow you to project light DOM content into the shadow DOM. Here is an example. The main document contains HTML like this. The slot element inside the shadow DOM displays light DOM content that has the corresponding slot attribute. Shadow DOM is a vital tool for building robust, reusable, and maintainable web components. By encapsulating styles and functionality, it reduces the potential for conflicts and simplifies codebase management. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the content of this channel, please consider subscribing.